Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Canine hardware treat tote. Yeah, we just got a little pup not too long ago, so we've been buying some nifty little training tools for him, just to, I don't know, teach him better behavior, just to help train him, This is, a little treat tote that we got him that's actually, just a cool little helpful thing. I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So it is a clip-on design to start off with. So you have this nice little plastic clip that's on the back right here. This is basically so you can easily, clip it on to like the side of your pants or something, and you can carry it with you to the park. So, we do a lot of like training at the park and everything, because I don't like to keep him indoors. As much as we possibly can, I like to take him out. So it's nice that we can, put his treats in here, easily take them on the go with us, and not also have to hold them, so we can focus on like playing with him and then have these just right clipped onto our side. So that's really nice. Secondly, easy, very, very easy to open and close. So you have this drawstring design. It's kind of similar to like one of those sports bags, if you're familiar with those sports bags. You can easily, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you can easily, cinch it closed. As you can see, it closes really nicely on the top, and you can easily open it back up. So you can keep all your, things really, or your treats in there really, really nice and safe. This thing is pretty great. It doesn't like, snag or get like funky. It's frayed a little bit, so that's one thing. But so far it's been pretty solid. So can't really complain about it too much. It's really easy to open and close. Allows for like quick and easy access to his treats when we're out there training him, which is really nice. As for the actual storage capability, this holds about 1 cup of dog treats. So, luckily he's pretty small, so his dog treats are also pretty small. So, I'd recommend this definitely for smaller dog treats if you're taking them around. Unless, you have a bigger dog and you only want to carry around like 1 or 2 of these. That's not bad at all. So, and then the drawstring closure is cool because what it does is it keeps all the bugs or just like anything nasty from like going inside of your 1 cup of treats. That's a really cool little thing. However, I would definitely not recommend, thinking of this as like a storage device, because the treats will go stale after a while. You should definitely keep them in like a sealed container of some sort. But yeah, the actual material on this bag feels very, very durable, very heavy duty. It's this like pack cloth material, and so it's not exactly soft, but it's really it feels like just like a heavy duty like duffel bag sort of material. And it feels like it's not going to tear or rip or anything, which is really nice. It's like something that we could really hold on to forever and bring pretty much anywhere. You could probably easily bring this down to the beach too. It's totally water resistant. Keep the treats safe from moisture or whatever. It's really a good high quality. You also have the tag right here too, which is again more kind of like the seatbelt material, very high quality as well, with the little treat tote design on it. You can also easily take little toys along as well if that's something you have. Again, they'd have to be pretty small. We have like a little rope that he plays with. We sometimes store that in here just because we have extra room with his treats. So, that's nice if you want to like take your dog to the park and maybe play with him a little bit or whatever. It can also be pretty solid for that. One of the best things I think about this thing is that it's really kind of just like a distraction-free training device. It's your dog would look at this and they wouldn't know that there are treats in here unless you're really flaunting it. But it's cool because he or she won't focus on the treats, but rather like the actual training process or the actual playtime or whatever you're doing. So you can kind of keep the treats out of sight, clipped on, maybe under your shirt or jacket, and then when they do something good, you can easily, take them out and give them to him or her. So yeah, it's a really, really nifty little device, especially if you're training your dog on the go, outside, parks, backyards, whatever. This can be a super helpful little thing. Again, it's the Treat Tote by Canine Hardware, and if you have a little pup, I would highly recommend picking one of these up. Alrighty guys, take it easy.